Hi everyone, and today we're gonna cook pancakes today. And we washed our hands, and there's the whisk. We're gonna whisk some stuff.
Some
Milk. And we have a few eggs. Eggies. Eggies. And we also have the pancake mix. Yeah, pancake. So what does it say? Let's cut this open.
here na lang.
Keep cutting this. So hard.
What's that? So heavy. Your scissors is so not enough. Di matulis. Look for another scissors. Or this one and this one. Ayan. Di pa din.
That was the most
This
efficient.
one.
That was the most efficient scissors.
This one. I'll cut it first na lang. And what does the instruction say?
2 cups of all-purpose biscuit. We need 2 cups of purpose biscuit. A cup. 1 cup and then in the bowl. Whee! So let's get another cup. Put it on the bowl.
Okay.
Done.
Then, yep.
Now we need milk. 1 cup of milk. 1 cup measure the milk. That'll be good enough.
More.
Okay. So and then we pour this to our flour. And now we need 2 cups of 2 eggs.
You want to try to crack it? I'm
Okay.
going to give you 4. No. Sa center. Yan, center. Sige, harder. Yan. Ganun mo.
And then
Wow! Good job! Nice try! Another one. Dito na lang muna, bench. There's another one.
there's a
Try it, Sean.
I have a story, guys. We're cracking our way through the eggs. Make sure no eggshell falls. There's a common myth that you kind of break an egg by squishing it. I tried it. It didn't. It worked. I mean, the eggshell didn't break. But now it's time to whisk it. Whisk. Oh. Wow. Magnifique. It's magnifique. Mix it until it's nice and just the right mixing you need. Mix until it's a thing that you need. Keep mixing. Look at that. It's dripping. And they dripping. Shansia now. Do you know what we're doing? We're mixing batter. There. I think it's done. Little intermission. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Bye guys. Bye. See you in our next video.